Okay, Bitcoin is kind of crashing. It's today is a bit of a interesting one, so we need to be careful. Geopolitical tension is rising rapidly, and tonight, hope God forbid, but it could get worse. So if it does, then Bitcoin trading is a risk on asset. Then it will, it could continue towards the downside more, but I don't want to give you a certain direction because these external events are very, very unpredictable. And what I can tell you is what I can see at this moment in time. So please do keep that in mind. Bitcoin fell to 61K from all the way from 66 actually from last weekend, but there are a few signs I want to talk about, and we'll start from micro and then we'll zoom out to the macro chart and talk about why I think that the price action can change like this, and when it does, then you have to be ready. With that said, I want to first say thank you all for 40,000 subscribers. It is unbelievable. I couldn't express it enough in the past videos, but 40,000 subscribers is crazy. Subscribers are crazy because we built it in the bear market when retail isn't even here. And that's very impressive. So I want to say thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing, for being a part of this journey. We have officially more subscribers than the entire population of Monaco, the entire population of Liechtenstein. Like, it's there's more crypto kids in the world than the amount of people in Monaco. I don't know if I gave this example in a previous video, but I just find that to be completely absurd. And I spoke to Bybit and they said, look, for your 40,000 subscriber special, we want to give your audience a chance to get a free 500 USDT position airdrop, which you can use for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, Solana, Pepe, Dogecoin, etc. Right? And if you sign up to Bybit using this link in the description down below, then you can get a free 500 USDT position, which you can use to long, short Bitcoin, however you feel like doing so, and the profits are completely yours. So I thought that would be a cool giveaway to pass to my audience. So thank you so much once again. And with that said, let's jump into the price of Bitcoin and discuss the immediate short term. Geopolitical tensions appear to get escalating, right? And after they're over, risk on assets tend to bounce. But the trick is you don't know how far the things will go lower or if it will go higher. You don't know as a fact, and that's what makes things tricky. But what I can tell you is that losing this trend line here is not the best of cases. We do have a bullish divergence playing out at this moment. It is being created. In fact, a pretty significant one. Right, and the lower Bitcoin goes, the more powerful this bullish divergence will be with its effect on the bounce. But we don't know the bottom. That is always the tricky part to catch. But what I can tell you is Bitcoin could drop to 60.3, 60.2. There's a lot of support at this level. If you remember from the early stages of September, right, we talked about the inverse head and shoulders, and that is probably where Bitcoin will try and retest later on tonight. And any lower would indicate an unfortunate closure of the CME gap at 54K. But fear not, because even if that happens, then we'd be creating a triple top, a triple bottom. And that is way, way, way more powerful than a double bottom. And that could be just the thing that Bitcoin needs to break above the huge bull flag that we've been creating for now a significant amount of time, probably more time that we should have spent creating it. But hey, it is what it is. There's nothing we can do about it. And as soon as Bitcoin decides to reverse, maybe from 54, maybe now, maybe it's 60.3, the moment that Bitcoin breaks above the resistance of this bull flag, which can happen like this, right? We know Bitcoin, it goes up 10%, it goes down 10%. It can go down 30% over one night. It can go up 30% in a matter of a few days. It's Bitcoin. It's done it before. It can do it again. As soon as we break above this resistance, then things will get interesting very fast. The first stop will be 69.1, then the prior all-time high at 73.7. And at this point, you're completing the cup of the huge cup and handle as well. You would have broken out of the bull flag. You would have gone above prior all-time highs, meaning that the final stage of the bull market is starting. You would have established base 4 on the Bitcoin parabola, so on, so on. You would have broken above the upper Bollinger Band here, and things will point to an explosive move up, right? And that's all I'll say. It's just going to depend on when Bitcoin breaks above this bull flag. And that's when I will determine to go heavy into a Bitcoin long position, because I've not gone heavy into a Bitcoin long position yet. But as soon as we do this, then it's time to, in my opinion, go heavy long. And if you want to prepare for that, this can happen today, it can happen tomorrow. But you want to have a trading account set up. With Bitflex, you don't have to do KYC, but you can't buy crypto for the first time. So you can only use Bitflex at this moment without KYC if you have crypto that you can transfer to the exchange. Bybit, you have to do KYC, so it will take some time for it to get approved. And you want to have an approved exchange. You want to have bought your crypto to prepare for a long position if you are a swing trader that wants to capitalize on potentially like hundreds of percents in the profit if you use leverage the correct way if Bitcoin decides to go parabolic from here, which I really sincerely think it will. It's a matter of time. Geopolitical tensions is a black swan event. It's something that hopefully will finish very, very soon and lives will be not lost unnecessarily. That's a completely different topic. But because this is a Bitcoin channel, I will only focus specifically on Bitcoin. It's a tough situation. Bitcoin will get over it. We just need to see how this night lasts, and then everything should be fine. Apart from this, Pumptober started with something the complete opposite of pumping by going down by 2%. And it's just obviously the first day of the month. We still have another 29 to 30 days to go until this month finishes. If we grind hard, then there's going to be opportunities to make so much money, specifically from altcoins, because we're going to break down from this rising wedge very soon. And then the same thing that happened in 2021 will appear for Bitcoin. The dominance will capitulate and altcoins will provide us opportunities to make anything from 10x to 100x. And this will be from the major crypto projects. It's not going to be from some random meme coin, which you'll have to gamble on and maybe it goes to zero the other day. That's not the case. That's going to be from Solana. It's going to be from Dogecoin, from Cardano, from Avalanche, from Shiba Inu, from Dogecoin. These are the projects that will provide these kind of returns. And obviously the risk is much lower because you do have some sort of an underlying project, which with meme coins you do not have. It is very open to skepticism. I have not dabbled in meme coins. Probably that's a bad idea. Maybe I should take advantage of it. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section which meme coins you're holding. And it would be cool if you help me out in that department because I have no clue what I'm talking about when it comes to meme coins. I just realized how bad my hair is, so apologies for that. But guys and girls, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all on the next video very soon. So guys, take care and bye-bye.